Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this problem, fail to write necessary files, please try again later with their ESP-MAN-Archive, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Fortnite easily. So this problem has a very easy solution. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to close out the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're done with that, now you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data. Now you're going to go into local, and then you're going to go into Fortnite game here. So here it is, Fortnite game, and then you'll see the saved folder. This folder stores your config, your game settings, and your logs. So just delete this folder. Don't worry, this folder does not store your game's progress. So just delete this folder. And after that, just close this up and just relaunch the Epic Games Launcher. And now when you try to play Fortnite, you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that ESP-MAN-Archive error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Now I'll see you in my next video. Peace.